Welcome viewer.
It's BIOS 9.
This video tutorial describes BOOTREC /rebuild. The system cannot find the path specified or element not found MBR or BIOS. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next. Click Repair your computer. Click Troubleshoot. Click Command Prompt. Type disk part. Type list space, disk. No star under GPT indicates the partition is MBR or BIOS. Click Troubleshoot. Click Command Prompt. Type BCD edit. Find your boot drive and Windows drive. In my case, C drive is boot drive and D drive is Windows drive. Type BOOTREC space /fix MBR. Type BOOTREC space /fix boot. If any errors, type BOOTREC space /NT60 space SYS. Type BOOTREC space /fix boot. Type a trip space /colan /boot /BCD space -H space -R space -S. Type ren space /colan /boot /BCD space bcd.old. Type BOOTREC space /rebuild BCD. Type BCD boot space Windows installed drive letter colan /Windows space /S space boot drive letter colan space /F space all.
Yeah.
Exit and start Windows. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.